Hello, everyone. This is the Alliwava G15. It's a fairly standard IGPU-only laptop, and its servicing isn't complicated. This should be good news for the regular user. Undo the 11 Phillips head screws. Note that the two in the center, close to the hinge, are captive. Use a thin plastic tool to pry up the back near the top left corner, then work your way around all sides. The bottom cover houses dust filters for its ventilation grill and speaker cutouts. The battery is a modest 57.75 watt-hour model. To detach it, pull down the connector and undo the four screws that secure the unit. The autonomous life is all right, since a full charge is enough for 6.5 hours of 4K videos. That's okay, given the small capacity. Your last task is to untangle the speaker cables around the battery housing. The Wi-Fi card is replaceable. Thumbs up for that. The manufacturer claims that the two SODIMMs can handle up to 32 gigabytes of DDR4, 3200 memory. Still, officially, the Ryzen 7 5825U supports 64 gigabytes, so you may install even larger RAM capacities. You get a pair of M.2 slots that fit regular 2280 SSDs. No Gen 4 support here due to the CPU architecture. The cooling setup consists of a single fan, two heat pipes, a top heat sink, and a heat spreader for the processor. Let's take away the cooling. Unplug the fan connector. Then remove the two screws around the fan housing and the three securing the CPU plate. The fan can be detached separately. Gently pop the cooling module off with a prying tool. Now we can see the CPU itself, which is covered in thermal paste.